Hey everyone, so today I'm showing you how to hide likes on Instagram for Android. If you want to keep your like counts private and reduce social pressure, this feature is super easy to enable. Let's get started. All right, first thing, open the Instagram app on your Android phone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This takes you to your profile page where you can see all your posts and followers. Okay, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. This opens your menu with various settings and options. This will open all your account settings. Now, scroll down a bit until you find likes and share counts, or it might be under what you see section. Tap on that option. You'll see a setting that says hide like and share counts, or something similar. This is the feature we need. Turn on the toggle switch next to hide, like, and view counts. When you enable this, other people won't be able to see how many likes your posts get. They'll just see that people liked it, but not the exact number. You can also choose whether to hide like counts on other people's posts by toggling the second option if it's available. And that's it. Your likes are now hidden from other people on Instagram. You can still see your own like counts, but others can't. If this helped you out, let me know in the comments below.